Main end being flange properly docked as marked. Install the positioning pin. Mounting bolt. Bolt anti-loosening mark. Install card bumper. Car limit switch parts. Car limit switch installation. Cable basket base installation. Cable frame installation. Please refer to the random drawings for the arrangement of the slide bracket and curve pallet. Slide bracket installation. Electrical box bracket installation. For the installation of the electrical box, please refer to the random drawing. Slide suspension clip. Slide installation. Slide connecting parts slide docking installation. Slide bracket sealing. For slide position adjustment, please refer to the random drawings. Cable trolley parts. Cable trolley and cable installation. Traction pulley parts, traction pulley and cable installation. Cable pulley and chute installation, fixed tail car installation. Cable pulley and chute installation, fixed tail car installation. Traction wire rope installation. Line card installation. Electric hoist adjustment. Electric hoist installation. Car conductive frame installation. The cable is connected to the electric box of the cart. Hoist conductive frame installation.